Hello and welcome to this review of this Polaroid wired keyboard. I got it for about £5 from Asda. Stylish and space saving, fully functioning keyboard. Well, we don't want that, isn't fully functioning. And let's see what we got here. Plug and play, USB power. Well, so it's got a USB socket or plug. Let's see what's here. Same. Let's see what's on the bottom. So, there's another diagram. Resistant to accidental spills. Stylish matte black finish. Security tag. Space saving design reduces clutter on your desk. That's what every keyboard doesn't do. So it probably comes with a drawer or something like that. Cushion keys for easier typing. Seeing what was on the front. Compatible with Windows 8, Windows 7, Vista, XP, Mac 10 or above. Connects the USB cable to a USB port of your computer. The keyboard is ready to use. I think that's where the plug and play comes in. Function keys and combination keys are only suitable for Windows systems but not Macs. Yeah, one down to Apple. This product is not a children's toy. Keep it out of reach of children. Well, I guess none of you have got children that'll use a keyboard. Distributed by Asda Stores, Leeds, LS11 5AD. That looks like sad. All copyright stuff. Don't throw it in the bin, please don't. You bought it. This European Union thing, at least they're doing something right. Passcode. This looks like a date. 9th of October 2013. There's a barcode if anyone wants a barcode. Right, just give me a minute and I'll open the key. I'll open the box. Right, now let's see what's inside the box. I've got my knife here, my trusty Stanley blade. These keyboards, instructions, let's throw that away. Use the keyboard in a plastic bag. Yeah, if you can't trust your kids with a keyboard, don't trust them with a bag. Here it is. It feels light. It's okay. You know, I'm guessing if you're not expecting much than that, then it's alright. The escape key is smaller than it usually is. It's got the clips on the back to lift it up if you want it a bit higher. I personally like it like that because it's easy to press. It's got a Polaroid sign there. Num lock, capital lock and scroll locks, obviously. You've got your function keys. I like this digipad key. I prefer to use this than use all these up here. But just bear with me. I'll put it into my laptop. I haven't got a computer. Well, I've got one, but it hasn't got a keyboard on, and I'll show you how it works. Right, so I've got my laptop up and running. This keyboard there. It's got a green light here indicating that the power is going through the keyboard. It's not going to blow up or anything like that. Yeah, that's with a num lock here. Right, so let's try and write a message. Let's just see how these soft touch keys feel. So let's write. Let's do bigger so you can see. Let's try welcome my YouTube viewers. Seems pretty okay. I'm gonna try using these symbols up here. Jack and Jill want £3,000 for telly. Right, so the symbols feel alright, you know, but to register them, you know, your commas, your forward slashes, your question marks, your them things that you make eyes with, your tab, capital letters, low. It all works, you know. For a £5, you know, it does feel quite a good quality, you know. If you're expecting any more than a keyboard, then, you know, why do you want a keyboard? Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my first review. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. There should be more to come. I hope to do one every Saturday. I might get a few Poundland reviews in, I'm not sure. But for my first review, I'd like to say thank you for watching. And good